This fish is supposed to be swimming in the ocean. Well, this isn't the ocean. Today we're gonna learn how to make an underwater filter for your camera using post-processing with HDR. Welcome back to Unity in 60 seconds. Let's right click in the hierarchy to create volume, global volume. You can only have this option if you work with HDR or HDRP. Click on New to create a new profile. To this profile we are going to add some post-processing overrides. On the channel mixer we're going to lower the red on the red tab, lower the green on the green tab, and leave the blue as it is. In the lift gamma gain, enable everything and pull it towards the blue color. Add some white balance, move the temperature down and the tint up. Add the depth of field with the bokeh mode. This will help us blur everything more than 2 units away from us, because you can't actually see good in water. The big red override is going to help us to create a basic frame around our camera, to give us more sense of depth of field. To make the image, like water, less uniform, we're going to use film grain. I'm using the medium 3 style. Now you can see how everything works when we add the elements one by one. And this is how it looks in the end. Pretty cool, right? For the exact values I use, make sure to check the link in the description. And if you want the prefab or some secret tips, make sure to check my Patreon page. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye!